Now, in this analytical method, you might see that the population is written here 2 lakhs. So, in population 2 lakhs and per capita demand 180 liter. If we multiply those things, if we multiply those two value, 2 lakhs into 180 liter, then it will come 36 million liter. Okay, 36 into 10 to the power 6, that means 36 million liter. That is the whole water demand for a particular day. Okay, now if we design a tank for 36 million liter, then it will not be economical one. We might design for this value also, but it will not be economical one, because every time we are pumping the water into the tank, and that water from the tank is consumed by the customer continuously. Sometime it is very less, sometime it is very high in demand, but the water is also reducing every time in a little bit manner. So what is the hourly average value for the demand? It is very important. Hourly demand value means the 36 million liter is 24 hours consumption. That might be divided by 24. 36 divided by 24, that means the hourly demand. Average hourly water supply, we are trying to supply the water through our pumping system, that is 1.5 million liter per hour in a day, because it is a constant supplying system. For 24 hours we are supplying the water continuously. So now if we are going to design the pumping segment, that is not the scope of this lecture period, but if we are trying to design a pumping segment, then we have to take 1.5 million liter as our requirement, because the pumps are only supplying 1.5 million liter per hour. Now what is the capacity of the tank might be, that will come in through this problem. Now what we are doing, there is a table. I just want to read it out column wise. That is, the first one is time in hours of the day. That is, we already seen that value in the problem here, and we are taking the initial hour as the day hours. Okay, we might write down as a 0 to 1, 0 1 to 2, 2 to 3, but we are not writing this for our calculation convenience. Percentage of average hourly flow expected in the second column, that is also given in the problem. These two column 1 and 2, these are given data. Now we have to calculate the further one, 3 to 7 number column, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, up to 9 number column we have to calculate. This is our main motto.